Okay. So this is the statue of Hachi, or Hachiko, and this was his owner, Dr. Ueno. Dr. Ueno worked at Tokyo University, which is within the grounds of right now. So one day Hachi used to go and meet Dr. Ueno every day at Shibuya Station, but one day Mr. Ueno died and Hachi continued to go to Shibuya train station every day for the next 9 years, which is amazing. It's a great story about loyalty. There's also a statue of Hachi at Shibuya Station. We're going to make the video there, but and Shibuya crossing is it's crazy busy. It's just there's too many people, so we want to come and see the statue here and make the video and just tell the story about Hachi. The name was originally Hachi, but in Japanese, I think ko means like affection, so this is where the name Hachiko came from. But as I said, it's a great story and one we wanted to make a little video on, so thank you.